Technology has always left the service business behind, until now. Menutize.ai is the definitive platform, the last operating system you will ever need. Built to start with you, scale with you, and become an asset you can one day pass on. But we're more than software. We're infrastructure. While others sell you CRM, payments, and invoices, essentials we've perfected, Menutize takes the critical step further, the step that determines whether you survive the next decade. Consumer behavior has evolved. Amazon, Uber, Carvana, they trained the world to expect instant access. Your customers now expect your business to be bookable 24/7. With Menutize, you choose your industry, and within seconds, a beautiful, battle-tested storefront is deployed. You edit your details, menutize your services into products, connect your domain, and link your bank. Just like that, you're in business. And here's the key. Buyers can book directly, anytime, anywhere. But understand this, we're at a historic pivot point. In the early 2000s, the yellow pages ruled, until Google made them obsolete. We're in that moment again. More buyer searches now begin inside AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Gemini. Protocols are being written to keep customers inside those chats, discovering, deciding, and transacting without a traditional website. Your presence must evolve into an interface AI agents can read, who you are, what you sell, and for how much. This infrastructure exists for products. Menutize brings it to services. Your website must become an interface that AI agents can understand. Secure your future with Menutize.ai, the API for the real world.